So about 2 months ago, I actually ended up buying this drone. A really good price. Came with a bunch of stuff. Came with the drone. Came with the controller. Came with a couple cables. It even came with a tri-battery charger with 3 whole batteries right there. They're still charging. And well, ever since then, pretty much either the weather's been really, really cruddy, or it's been really windy or snowy, and really hasn't been a lot of places to fly this thing. And I kind of don't want to fly it when it's windy and break it. I'm a first-time drone user, so I don't really know what the heck's really going on. I'm going to be in the learning process. So I bought this. I'm waiting for it to charge. I want to take it out today because it's actually a very nice day. Maybe do a couple flybys of certain places I know that are really pretty. Maybe even do one time at night where I can get like the lights of the town over, or however else it may be. But I want to get this situated. I want to get the app working. There's been problems with the app where sometimes the app, I guess, doesn't want to work, or it does want to work. So I'm just pretty much going to open this thing up. It's got this sweet little camera guard I got to take off. Place for your battery, place to charge it, place for the SD card, which I got. And this is also going to help me out also with car stuff. It'll be really cool to kind of get like sweet flybys or like sweet drone pass-bys with it. So that's pretty cool. So, and obviously, another thing you guys might notice is I bought a bunch of equipment for the GoPro. So I have a stand, I have this, which is like a, I guess like a jaw flex clamp. I got a bunch of stuff here, so inside the shop when I'm working, I don't have to pause the video and keep going. So I got a little head camera mount, I got a little, I guess, hat mount, and I got a little stick here for, I don't know, your selfie, GoPro, whatever. But so I'll be able to actually make videos now and use both my hands while the camera's going. So apparently the App Store doesn't have the app anymore, but they give you sweet little decoder thing on the instructions that actually takes you to the site. So we're on the site. What it's telling us to do right now is to take out the controller, install the sticks. Check. Hit the remote, make sure that it's on, power button on, press and hold. Good, and connect the remote using the RC cable. Alright. Like I said, I'm a first-time drone user, so I don't actually know 100% what I'm doing, but I'm gonna give it a shot. So, alright. Put the phone in here, I guess. RC cable, so that's going to be probably this left one over here. Let's see here. Okay, that looks like it plugs into the phone. Sweet. So we're going to set it to a point where we can see this. It'll be right here. RC not connected to mobile device. I'm pretty sure it is. Try that again. Everything plugged in. Oh, maybe back here. It's plugged in now. Not sure. Alright, so finally, it took a while, but I got it calibrated. Had to get on the actual app they give you on here. Took a while because I didn't really know how to adjust it, but after some research and some reading, I figured it out. The first problem was I had the wrong cable in. Yeah, because, you know, I'm stupid. So this is good. Right now, all I'm waiting for is the controller to charge. And after that, we'll try to go fly it then. Maybe see if we can get some sweet aerial pictures. So I'll wait for that. I'll put this away. And then we'll go get some sweet snapshots. Well, it's not the town, I was gonna say we could catch at night, but it's pretty good. We'll try it right here. See if we can get some sweet aerial shots of this place. And with that, the little drone is down. So it got kind of dark. There's really not much else you can see here, but the drone has flown. That's amazing. Hooking this thing up was a pain in the butt. I mean, we got it done. That was the whole, was what I wanted to do. I wanted to get a good video. Yeah, we didn't get our city one, but I mean, the lighthouse ain't too bad. So thank you. I'll see you guys in the next video. This has been definitely a learning experience for me, and catch you later.